First of all, hey, how you guys doing? I hope y'all are doing well. Welcome back to Living My Essence. Of course, this is Chiquita, clearly. But I've been doing some research a little bit. But it's called, let me turn them down for a second. But I'm just learning about, it's called a mukbang or a mukbang. I'm not exactly sure how to say it because it's been said a couple of times. But for some reason, I'm digging it a little bit. Um, what is I, I can't remember. It's two types. The one that I prefer is the one that they're more like having a conversation and eating. Um, and the other is, oh, I don't want to get this wrong. A Oh dear, I'm sorry. It's called I'm gonna find it right here, right now. Y'all are gonna find it right with me. Um, ASMR. There we go. First of all, I had to understand what ASMR is. Um, but to me, I, that does nothing for me, to me, a little bit. Certain ones are the most extreme ones are kind of nerve wracking to me, so I don't like those. But the ones that just having conversations with you guys or with special guests, then I like those. I prefer those. More reminds me of you know you going out to eat with your the people you find close to you, and you guys are just at a restaurant talking and eating. That's what it seems like to me. But by definition, a mukbang or mukbang is an online audiovisual broadcast in which a host eats large quantities of food while interacting with their audience. So I'm thinking about it. I really thought about doing that on my channel. Will that be all on my channel? No. But, I mean, I don't know. I don't know. What do you guys think? Y'all already know that I'm on a couple different journeys, and one of those journeys that I have been probably most vocal about is weight loss. So I was trying to think, okay, um, how do I want to do this? If I do decide to do a mukbang or mukbang, um, please, if I'm saying it wrong, just let me know how to say it so that I can say it correctly. But you get my point. But anyway, I don't know. I really don't know how this makes me feel. It almost like like I said, that's the best way of how it makes me feel to watch a mukbang. It's just like me sitting across from a friend or someone I know, and we're having a conversation over a meal. I mean, that's the best way that I can even remotely express how me seeing a mukbang is. So, I'm thinking about it though. If you think I should, comment below. Make sure you subscribe and do uh, ring my bell, the notification, so that you know um, every time I do my videos. They're becoming more and more frequent now, I guess, because I'm getting a little bit more comfortable with doing them. So um, I'm really enjoying YouTube. Um, so yeah, guys, go ahead and click the like button, subscribe, get the click the bell so you can get my notifications. So when I create a new video, you get it, you can watch it, and hey, we can, like I said, go on my journeys with me. Um, but I'll probably be making a couple more um, videos to attach to this one, but I don't know. But like, real question: should I do a mukbang? Or if any of you have done mukbangs or mukbangs, how really how did you get into it, and how did you feel? What are some good mukbangs to do? But like I said, I have watched the ASMR mukbangs, and I I just don't see myself doing that. Um, but I understand. Does that make sense? I don't know. But anyway, I'm going to continue to get these things done and get my work done. But I just had to come on and ask you guys. So I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. So, y'all, I am so excited. I was looking at some of my pictures from this past weekend, and I realized my stomach is going down. Like, I'm actually seeing little changes, and I'm like, oh my god, oh my god, that makes me feel so good. It does. It makes me feel so good, and I just wanted to come on and tell you guys that just makes me want to go harder. It's like, okay, what exercise can I do? Because I'm actually seeing a change, and all that I've done really so far is change what I've been eating and cooking. Like, wow. So this is awesome, but I just came on here to tell you guys that. Bye.
So, backstory real quick. This duck right here is a male, goose is a male, and over in the bushes, there's a nest there with a female. And the backstory about this male is he's been keeping watch, which is so wonderful. But when we're trying to get into the building, oh my God, it's the funniest thing because he will chase you, he will flap at you, he will do everything to make sure that you stay away. And we go nowhere near them because we don't want, to hurt the eggs or even to hurt them. But it's been a week, and you're about to see how funny it has been. Just okay, here goes.
Look at Stacey right behind me. He can't get all of us.
Okay.
Oh, tongue out.
Oh, oh. You said you ain't fooling me?
It has his tongue stuck.
Okay.
Awesome.
You better move back because she's gonna run.